Hey guys, thank you for tuning in to Roxas Rides. I'm Roxas and this is Uncle Ben with the Benelli 600. And today I will show you how to clean your header pipes that tend to get dirty often. So first I want you guys to have this mindset that you are going to get dirty and you need to prepare for that. Wear your household clothes that you can wash off later. So basically what we're going to do is to clean these header pipes. We're going to use these normal day-to-day items that you can find on any supermarket. So we're going to use Harpic, Power Plus 10x10 or any other Harpic that you have to clean. You need some gloves. Any latex gloves from your local pharmacy store. If you don't have that, you can use this, your dishwashing SpongeBob SquarePants. Step number one, get your gloves on, get your mask on. I'm going to tell you why you need a mask later. But you need to turn on your bike for 10 seconds or 20 seconds just to let a little bit of heat going through your header pipes. So here we go. Let the bike warm up naturally. Alright, now that the bike is nice and warmed up, the fumes, once you start putting Harpic in a container and start putting Harpic on the header pipes, there will be fumes, so you need to protect yourself from those fumes, which is why you need this kind of mask. Alright, let's begin. As you can see that there is an immediate difference in about 3 minutes of using Harpic. This process should usually take about 15-20 minutes at the most. So give your bike some love and keep your bike clean. And you can see how dirty this one is. And I'm going to start with this one now after I soak this up and wash it clean. We are almost halfway done. I think I'd say we are 40% done. And as you can see here, the header pipes are looking brand new, almost brand new. Alright, so now we're going to drain this dirty water and get some clean water in there and wipe away the excess Harpic that we've used on the header pipes and make sure it doesn't stay on that for too long. Alright, now you have your clean water. You want to soak in your SpongeBob and clean away the excess Harpic from the header pipes. While we're waiting for this to dry, I'm going to talk to you about this metal polish that I use. It's called the Autosol metal polish, which you can get off Amazon for 250 rupees. Basically, this is going to keep your headers nice and shiny for a longer period of time. I'm going to use this metal polish onto any of your rags. I don't know if the GoPro can catch that, but this one has a much more smoother finish than the second or third or the fourth header. Keep doing it till you can see your face on one of the headers. The last header now. So here's how you clean the headers, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this one. And this is the aftermath of my glove scrubbing the headers. Alright, so hope you guys enjoy this one. Do give it a like. Please share it with your friends who have motorcycles, who have the same passion that we do. And do subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. See ya!